Every day, we walk through these doors and engage in our vital work. But look closer. Look beyond the main spotlights, and you'll find the true heart of our organization, our unsung heroes. These are the dedicated hands that ensure our success, the sweepers and helpers who keep our spaces pristine, reflecting our commitment to excellence, the ward boys and ayahs who offer comfort and care, often being the first point of human connection, the vigilant security guards whose watch keeps us safe day and night, the diligent office boys who ensure paperwork flows smoothly, and the lecture hall operators who guarantee every session starts without a hitch. They are the unseen foundation. They don't seek applause, yet their contributions are the very pillars that hold us up. They are the definition of selfless service. Let's take a moment to acknowledge their dedication. They are more than just their titles. They are essential members of our family. Thank you for making everything we do possible.